Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be all about this hair. Big, bold, ginger / orange copper blowout. Yes. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this look and how I brought it from this to this, then keep watching. As well, if you are new here, welcome girl. Come on in, have a seat, grab a cup of tea, girl. Welcome to the tribe. But it ain't official unless you hit subscribe. Subscribe to join the tribe. As well, comment below and let me know if I should curl it or if I should press it or if I should flexi rod set it. You be the judge and I'll do a video on it. No, if I flat iron it, you won't care. I will not do a video on flat ironing. Let's be honest. I'm enjoying it just blown out and like whatever right now. But I know that I probably need to also maybe style it. All right, y'all. Let's get into this video. So the hair that I'm using is from Msbuy.com, and this is their strawberry blonde loose wave lace front human hair wig in 22 inches. I decided to go with a texture like this because one, it is very difficult to find a company that has textured hair in a light color. I knew I wanted to do something fun, something bold, something different, but you guys know I love textured hair, so I wanted to do it on textured hair, and I wanted the hair to already be pre-lightened. That way I could skip the step of bleaching and only have to deposit cola. So let's take a look at the wig on my head. This is the wig fresh out of the package, looking like no potential. I know, it's scary. This is my good side. Y'all, I don't know. Like, now that I just did that, are y'all seeing something? With a full beat, makeup on, something. I'm darkening the roots. I'm gonna see what I have in the cabinet. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to a quiet place and think about how I can slay this wig. I'll be back. So in my quiet place, I decided that I was gonna darken the roots with Revlon number 41, which is a level 4 ash brown. Now, I typically use professional color. That's my love, that's what I do. But I've decided to make it a little bit easier for you guys by using drugstore color on the wigs. I will never use drugstore color on real hair, ever, ever, ever. But to make it easier for you guys so that there's not that issue of you guys not knowing where to find the products that I've used, I'm just gonna use drugstore items on wigs so that you guys can get them easily, you know, internationally. So after I darkened the roots, I wanted to make sure that the actual body of the hair had dimension. And to do that, I added in lowlights. And lowlights just mean adding in little flecks of color that are gonna be darker than the base of the hair. So to add dimension quickly, a little trick I love to do, you guys have seen me do this in a lot of videos, is work around the face. So I work from the area that's above the ear and I work the top. So that the top will kind of fall over everything, and then around the face you'll have a lot of those low lights showing through. I also like doing this because it helps to soften the roots. That way you're not going to have that harsh looking root disconnected from the rest of the hair. And this is what she looks like with a little more dimension, roots darkened, a bit more natural looking color, but y'all, I wasn't about to go for fully natural right now. So I decided to use Adore, what was that, number 38 in Sunrise Orange. And I mixed that with conditioner. I mixed it with conditioner for two reasons. One, I only had one bottle and I needed that bad boy to stretch. And two, I didn't want the true Sunrise Orange color, which is actually even brighter than what you guys see here. So tip, if you want to go even more copper, even more orange, use the Sunrise straight. And if you don't, mix it with conditioner. So basically I'm just doing this. I'm starting around the root area and I'm kind of working my way down the shaft, leaving the ends, because I want to make sure that the roots to mid shaft are all covered first before I bring the color down to the ends. Because if you'll notice in the final results, we've got the ends that are a little bit lighter and some of that original color is nicely poking through. And this is what she looks like air dried before I put her on, honey, and decided to blow her out. I love that this totally gave me the texture of like a kinky straight type hair. So I feel like there's going to be so much room to play with this, and it's just, I love any hair that emulates or can somewhat look like how our hair would look like if it was like blown out or puffy or just, y'all, I'm addicted to texture, honestly. But I love the way this color came out. You can see some of the original color coming through. You can see brighter areas. You can see the areas that are a little bit darker because of where we put in the low lights. Like, I love dimension, honey. Thumbs up if you guys love this color. Oh, and guys, it's official, y'all. I'm uploading every single Saturday. I got you. Every Saturday, 10 a.m. Tune in to this channel because we gonna hang out every Saturday. Saturdays are ours, okay? Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. It's me and you with a new video every single week. But you still need to turn on the post notifications because there will be times where I will upload more than just Saturday. I'm not sure what that second day should be yet. Right now it's kind of in the air, but let me know what you think the second day should be, because right now, Saturday mornings, 10 a.m., me and you, we locked in. It's a date. It's a date. It's a date. It's a date. Okay, guys. That is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.